Hey guys, it's Eva, and I am so excited to film this video. I have been wanting to film one of these videos ever since I was a little kid. When I watched these YouTube videos, like crazy story times at work and like my work story times, and I've always wanted to film one, but of course when I was younger, I did not have a job. But I did quit my job a few months ago and I worked at Burger King for a year. So I definitely have some story times for me to tell you guys. So let's just get on to the video.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Okay, so with this first story, it happened when I first started working there. And I only worked like 1 to 2 shifts, 4 hours each. So I was still like new even working there after like 3 months. So this old snobby woman comes in, she had like a snobby outfit. Whenever she talked to me, sounds snobby as hell. Like, you're my slaves, gotta do everything, kind of like a Karen. And then she goes like, oh, I bought these chicken tenders a few hours ago. And they're cold. I want a refund. Like, girl, that was a few hours ago? No duh, they're fucking cold. So I go get a manager because I don't know what to do. And she already kind of seemed like mad, and she's just like, that is not our box. And I looked at the boxes and she was right. These chicken tenders weren't even from our store. And then this lady is like demanding a refund. She's like, no, I want a refund. They're cold and everything. And I don't remember what happened after that, but I remember we like sent her away. But I can't believe there's people like that. Like, first of all, it's not from our store. And second of all, you just told me you bought them a few hours ago. What did you expect? They stay hot 24/7? Okay, so this story isn't gonna be exciting or anything. It's gonna be short. It's just something I just remembered. So this was during the pandemic, like March, April, May, and it was this two like senior citizen couple, and they were coming inside a golf cart because at our store, like in this area, like people ride around in golf carts. It's like an old place. Like a lot of senior citizens live here. So as they're like paying me, after they pay me, I give them their money and everything, and then they like hand me a $5 bill, and they're like, this is a tip from Jesus. And I was just like, I remember in my head going like, because I'm not religious, like I don't believe in God or anything, and like I don't mind if someone else does. Like, everyone is allowed to believe in what they believe in. I respect everyone's religion. And I was just like, Jesus, like, I'll believe in Jesus for $5. So I took the tip and I'm just like, thank you so much, like it's $5. Like, you don't really see a $5 tip. Like, I think I've gotten 2 $5 tips a whole year I work there. So yeah, like it doesn't happen a lot. I'm just like, yeah, like I'll like put Jesus in my heart for your $5. But yeah, I just thought it was like a little weird, like a tip from Jesus, and I'm just like, okay. So with this first story, it happened within like my first or second month of working. And by the way, I only worked like once or twice a week for doing 4-hour shifts. So even by like the second month, I still didn't know that much. Still kind of newer, I guess. I did work there for a year. So what happened was a girl, she walked inside the store. She comes up to the counter. By the way, I was working at the front counter doing the cash register. So she walks up to order, and she tells me her order. I take it. I don't remember exactly what it was. And, she waits, she takes her food, and then she leaves. Perfectly normal. Okay, and then this dude just walked in, and he didn't go to me. He went to the place where they're giving out the food, and he asked for a manager. And he's kind of pissed off. Like, he's like, has an angry tone, like talking louder, kind of like yelling. And, he's like telling them to remake it, that they made it wrong. This was his order. And he reads out the order. And I'm just watching on the side, like listening in. And I'm just like, oh, I know that order. That was the lady that ordered. And it is exactly the way she ordered it. It was done exactly the way how she ordered it. There was nothing wrong. It's just that she ordered it wrong or whatever. So he's like yelling that we made it wrong, even though it sounded exactly the way that I put it in. It's exactly like that inside the computer. So maybe the sandwich was wrong, I don't know, but definitely I definitely took the order right. So, so then he tells them what he like wanted and everything. I don't remember if it was different from the order. And so like they were going to go remake it. I don't remember what happened. This part's like empty for me. But then he was just like, you know what, just like don't remake it. And he's like screaming at us. And then he just threw fries and he stormed off. And I remember his car. He got inside his car. It was white, I'm pretty sure. It was white or yellow. I can't remember that part. But he like went inside this fancy ass car and just drove off. And I was just like, what the heck? That order was right. I'm pretty sure that the sandwich was right too, because I'm pretty sure hearing, but again, I don't remember exactly, but I'm pretty sure that part of the reason why I thought it was so weird was because I'm like, I took this order and it was the wife that ordered it, and it was typed in correctly exactly the way he wanted it, so I don't remember exactly what it was.